Hey everybody, back again. This is the Shark Steam Mop assembly video. I just got my Shark Steam Mop and I'm going to put it together. If you haven't checked out the unboxing video, check that out. But within this video, I'm going to assemble it. Something I've always loved about Shark. I've got their vacuum cleaners and a blender as well, is how simplistic the design is. You know, a minimal amount of parts to break. A super simple installation, or assembly rather. Getting to know your Shark. Let's see what we do here. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Wow. Okay, so step 1, it shows I put, let's see if there's a top and a bottom. Huh. That's kind of interesting. It doesn't, let's see if it shows. Align the mop handle and mop pole so the arrow symbols inside face forward. Okay. So where, oh, see, there's the arrow symbol right there. So it says make that face forward. So what I'll do is face towards this part. So I stick, let's see, actually before I stick that in, I'm going to go by what this says. I'm going to stick the handle on. So the handle's on. And still making sure that faces forward, I'm going to stick this in as step 2. Okay, that's in. Wow, that was easy. And then step 3 is attaching, and it came with 2 of these, but attaching one of the 2 pads. It's got like a Velcro type thing right here. And basically what I'm going to do is just, let's see if there's a front. Yeah, this piece right here kind of has a gentle curve, and there's a gentle curve there. So that's going to go that way. So all that I'll do here is just stick this on here, making sure it touches the Velcro, and it does. So see, now that's Velcroed on. Wow, that was so simple. I didn't have to have any tools or anything. I just did that. And now this sucker is ready to run. So, and so you can see that's the Velcro is what's holding it to this. That's super nice. And the fact that these are machine washable is super nice, because once I finish cleaning my floor, I'll just wash this in the washing machine. And again, it says cleans with just water. No chemicals. Nice. Wow. That was super simple. So again, expand this video's description and then click the link there to find where to order this online. This is the Shark Steam Mop. And again, just uses water. And this is just the unboxing video, so check out my review video. And I'm going to clean this floor that's in here because it's gotten dirty. So I'm going to clean it with this. We're going to see how well it does. Thanks for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe. YouTube.com/IrixGuy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Hey y'all, Captain IrixGuy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's YouTube.com/IrixGuy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.